Welcome to the Small Yard Tractor. This is Robert, and today we're going to finish our gate install. I've brought my grinder with a cutting wheel out here so that we can cut the fence, make sure to leave enough room to wrap that around the post and staple it in, or in the case of the T-post, you leave enough in there that you can wrap it around and hook it. I will demonstrate both of these in just a second. First, I need to get the gate out of the way. Okay, a little too out of the way there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this one out enough that it probably about here, because like I said, we need to wrap it around and staple it. So now right here, I thought I had given myself enough room, but I had not. So make sure and give yourself a little bit of extra on the outside. And there we go. Pull this tight. I should probably be wearing gloves for this. And you just bend it around the post. Bulldog pliers and gloves would have been very helpful if I had thought about it. Now we're going to take some of these giant staples and we're going to tack that down. And I picked up a lot of speed. I guess fast forward is the only time that you will see me actually moving at that speed. If you like what you see, please hit like, hit subscribe if you want to see more. Well, there's one. I'll go ahead and fast forward through some of this hammering. And I definitely should have worn gloves because I did cut my hand and was bleeding, and it may be nature's way of cleansing the wound, but it's also a pain in the butt. Well, that didn't work well. Thinking maybe I need one down a little about here to bring this around. And yes, I sweat profusely when I'm doing this sort of stuff. I love my little Ryobi grinder, but I have to admit, this is my second one and it's having issues as well. So I may have to go to a different type of grinder. I think that should help wrap this around this little T-post here. May have gotten it a little short. I'll go ahead and stretch that out later and wrap it around the way it's supposed to be. And yes, my hand is bleeding, but it's all right. Just helps flush out the wound. Probably should have cut this just a little bit longer so that it would wrap around better. There we go. And this is just a fence to keep the dogs in, so I don't expect it to be challenged. And this is where my camera died. Well, I'm going to take you down and show you the finished gate project if I don't fall. The phone got a little overheated and decided it wasn't going to film the rest of it. But what we have, and it's kind of not the best work I've ever done, but in a pinch it works. Mounted these little brackets and hung the fence post. I should have measured first because I am short reaching my goal here by just a little, and so I may need to move this one T-post over just a little, or see if I can hammer it so that it stands up straight. But I just wanted to show you, and there's Ruru, our Doberman, out enjoying the day. But I just wanted to show you the final product, and thank you all again for watching. You've been wonderful, and I just can't say enough about my audience. Thank you very much. This is Robert with Small Yard Tractor signing off.